True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in the St. Elizabeth area. So I'm giving a tour from Calabash Bay. So I'm showing you I'm going to the area. This is on August 6th on Independence Day. So stick and stay and see how this area stay in a Treasure Beach area. Yes, my beautiful people, one love and one heart. Manners and respect and Fire Reid this, you know. Anyone there? Big up on yourself, my people. Big up on yourself, man. So you can see the amount of car in this area. And every year they have a boat. I'm calling it now parade. So no need to come down here. So next year, 2007, come check out the boat parade in a Calabash Bay. Yes, my beautiful people. So I'm gonna know Treasure Beach area with Fire Reid. I'm giving a drive through same way. So you know a lot of music in the background. So you know so I get a lot of copyright. So I try to cut out as much as possible of the music. So see what I'm going. A real life in a St. Elizabeth this man. At the bread basket. Bread basket in a Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, the place nice man. Nice and beautiful. Come enjoy the beach, the scenery. I would say this is a most like it's a tourist area guys, and a lot of people from, as me say, all walks of life come and get to jelly coconut same way. Yeah man, it's all about the Jamaica life, you know. Yeah, go down in the street, you know.